Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like my video, please like. Let's get started. So today we are going to see about page object model form design pattern in Selenium. So page object model is a design pattern within the Selenium framework. We will organize all the elements, resources and functions on page level. So after know whatever we have seen, we have writing a driver or find elements in every page and we are storing the elements here and there. It's not organized. Because of that, what happens? Sometimes it creates a lot of problems. If there is a change in the element or change in the test data, and you will be getting confused where to change and where and all has got impacted. So it's always in a framework you have to organize your scripts. The big object model comes into picture there. So in this, what we are going to see, if you see the flow diagram, we have two pages, one is login page and the second one is the registration page. So what we do is we store all the elements related to login page in under login page and all the functions like we will have functions for every action we are going to make in the application request. For example, input text box of username. So one function will be there. Input text box of password, one function will be there. And clicking a login button will be creating another function. So every action will have every function. So if there's an impact in future, you just go and update that only one place. So if you see here, I have shown like individual pages we have individual functions appropriate to the function and initializing an element. And one more important thing is add find by class comes. See, there are two approaches here. One is by method, other one is add find by method. By class defaultly comes inside Selenium. But hard find by this method, whatever I am going to show is coming from PageFactory. PageFactory is again a Selenium library which gives us a provision to configure all the elements using a PageFactory. And also we can initialize all the elements at one shot using a PageFactory library. So let's get started with an example. So the first step is, if you see in my framework, you can see UI pages, there is a package. And test suite, there is a package. Test suite will have a test cases that are going to run. UI pages will have all the pages, and every page I will create a for every page I will create a Java class and follow the page factory approach. Okay? So here you go. Like you go to login page. So the first one what we have to do, we need to import page factory libraries. It's inside open case Selenium for page factory. And the remaining these two also part of PageFactory means like how and find, right? Okay. Now we are going to store the element of the login page of that direction. So the first thing we have to initialize the driver as static variable. This one. So this is the constructor. You all know the constructor of Java, right? Whenever a class has been invoked, the default constructor will be invoked. So now in the constructor, this dot driver equal to driver means this dot driver means instantiate variable driver. So whatever the driver coming into this one will be assigned to this particular class. Second part is using the page factory we initialize all the elements. So driver command this. Okay, it is the standard command. Now, so these are the syntax of page object, page factory, design factory, add find by. How we are going to find using a ID, how.id, using the value user name, which you already seen, right? And then the same way second, I'm going to find a password. How using the name, using password. So this is the command. And the third one is using expert. How dot expert using expert. That's the limit of login. Apart from this find by, we have find by and find all. Okay, so let's don't have an example here, but I can show. The find by means whatever the find by class you are mentioning, both should meet the example. I have two criteria mentioned, then both should meet in order for the element to identify. Second one is find for any one should meet. So the previous one is and condition, the second one is or. That's it. Okay, now you have seen you have initialized using find by. So what is the first step? Initialize the driver. Second step, PageFactory unique element command. And the third step is find by command. And the fourth step is if you see I created a Google function for every action. So now username is here. Username dot send. If we don't need to write driver dot find all these things now. You just need to call it as username dot send. Password dot send without value. And login using that. So that's all on the UA page. So we are done with the page. Now how to call this right test case. Hope you understood this one. So please be careful in the constructor. You need to call this key. Okay. Let's go to the test class. So here I use TestNG. We'll discuss about the TestNG afterwards. So if you see in the TestNG class, before test, after test. The three classes are there. Before test means what we should do before the test. We need to launch the browser. If you see here, login first of launch browser. I initialize this one. Driver.get will launch the browser and maximize it. So before every test, this will run. Here I have only one test. So in case there is multiple tests, before that test also this part will run. Okay. So come to step 2. So login page login. Nothing but this class. I am initializing the class here, passing the driver. So it comes here. The next step is just take this one, call those three functions. Username, password, login. That's it. Now close it. So as simple as that, it's very easy. So this is how you will implement the page object model design pattern. See the page factory. I will run this and show you how it. So already I configured this in a test engine. You can see this test engine. First login test. Okay. Now go to form, right click, run as very frequent get launched. Password. And if you can see tester one is passed. Let's see the results. One good part you can see the results here. I will show you the results. Here you go. So this is new user. The test cases pass. That's all for today. Thank you.